How to upload original quality photos on Google Photos. Firstly, you have to open the Google Photos app, move to the sharing. Now you have to select here any of the video or picture. Now click on add photos. Select any of the photo from your gallery, click on add and move back. In this way you can upload photos on Google Photos. Now how you can upload original quality, move to the profile which is present at the right top corner. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on photos setting. Now click on the backup here. Now scroll this bar and backup quality, click on it. Select the original quality, click on select here. In this way, you can upload your original quality photos on Google Photos. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.